guys, thanks for checking out Educated Fit. This video is part 9 in the 10-part series, 10 moves to add to your at-home workout routine. If you missed any of the previous episodes, I will leave them down in the description box for you below. You can check those out later. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe and check us out at educatedfit.net. Now, let's get into the video. We're going to start off on the floor in a tabletop position. So you want your hands beneath your shoulders and your knees beneath your hips. While performing this move, you want to make sure you keep your core tight and your back as flat as possible. While engaging your core, you're going to lift your left leg and your right arm at the same time. Lower and then switch sides. One of the things that I really like about this move is that it forces you to have a connection between your mind and your body because you're constantly thinking, engage your core, keep your back straight, left and right together, right and left together. And this is something that you're really going to need to have that mind and body connection in order to have a successful fitness journey. So go ahead, give this move a try. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.